Today we're going to teach you the parallel rescue. You'll want to stick around. Here we're going to teach you a technique now about rescuing another canoe that's swamped. If you were in Scouts or doing some other canoeing training, you may have learned the canoe across canoe rescue, but I prefer the parallel rescue, and I'm going to show you how that works. We've got our other boat here. I'm going to take a minute. We're going to swamp this boat. Okay, so here we go. It's upside down, and you're going to paddle up to it, get to the side of it. I'm going to put my paddle in the bottom of the boat. And then the key to this is you're going to stand up and put your foot in the bilge of your boat, lean it towards the other one so that you can catch an edge of the gunnel. So it looks like I'm tipping over, but I'm not. I'm just using leverage. Step back, pull it up out of the water, let it drain, flip it over. It's a lot quicker. You can do it on a river, you can do it on a pond, and then once you've got the canoe upright, just have the passengers go around to the other side while you stabilize it, and they climb back in.